All right, so in this video, we're going to solve these exponential, or I guess simplify these exponential expressions over here. And these are, again, probably easy to medium difficulty, slightly leaning towards the medium side. But again, not too difficult. You should be able to do these no problem if you know your exponent rules. So we're going to start by distributing our exponents into the bracket because exponents always go first. Now, one thing students always forget is to distribute the exponent to the constant. I'm going to start with 3 squared, which is 9. And then over here, I'm going to multiply my exponents because exponent means multiplication. So it's going to be 9x to the power of 8 times 2 cubed is just 8. And then if I multiply the exponents here, 2 times 3 is 6. So I have 8x6. And then 1 times 3 is 3. So I just have y to the power of 3. Now I can simplify this even further by doing 9 times 8 is 72. And for the x terms, I'm going to add my exponents. So 8 plus 6 is 14. And the y term just stays the same because there's nothing else. And then that's my final solution. Let's try for the second question over here, which is division. 2 squared is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. So I have 4a6 over 4ab squared. 4 and 4 just cancel. a6 divided by a, so 6 minus 1 is 5, so that's just a5, and then the b square just remains on the bottom. Nothing changes with that because there's no other b terms in this question. Let's go to the third one over here. Now we have some fractions in our exponents, but pretty similar idea. We're going to start by just distributing these exponents into the bracket. So 4 times half is just 2. And 6 times negative 1/3 is just negative 2. Now I'm going to add my exponents because they're multiplying. So 2 plus negative 2 is just 0, and anything to the power of 0 is just 1. And last question over here, again, I have decimals in my exponents. I'm going to distribute them into the brackets. So 8 times 0.5 is just 4, and then this 0.5 only distributes to whatever's in the bracket. It does not distribute to the 9. Over here, this 0.25 is going to distribute into the bracket. I'm going to start with 16. What is 16 to the power of 0.25? Well, you should probably know this, but if you don't know it, I'll explain it over here. 16 to the power of 0.25 is the same as 16 to the power of 1 over 4, which is the same as 4th root of 16, which is just 2. So 16 to the power of 0.25 is just 2. And here I'm going to multiply the exponents. 12 times 0.25 is just 3. The constants can't simplify anymore, so they're going to stay the same. So I just have 9 and 2 on the bottom. And C4 divided by C3, 4 minus 3 is just 1. So I just have a C in the numerator. So that is my final solution.